I don't know if anyone's ever called you a little bit weird, but did you know that your weirdness is probably your richness? What makes you weird is what makes you rich. Trust me, your uniqueness is the thing that most people point out as something that they criticize about you, tell you to tone down a bit, say to you, maybe you shouldn't be as much like that, it's a bit too much, right? If you've ever been told you're a bit strange, you're a bit too much in something, that, my friend, is the key to your success. Whatever that is, it's a thing that you should actually be setting on fire and probably building a business around, because that, my friend, is where your passion, your uniqueness, and your standout point in life is that it's going to help you succeed. So whether it's speaking too fast like me, why don't you go and make a profession out of speaking, right? It works. If you, I don't know, whatever it is that's weird about you, it's unique. It's amazing. It's your superpower. It's the one thing that makes you not a boring old Shaun the Sheep like everyone else. Trust me, take the thing that other people look at you and say, well, that's a bit weird. You should probably tone that down a little bit and make it stand out even more. Because that, my friend, is exactly where your riches are going to be. Good luck.